because of the weak winds are there, ocean currents are not able to distribute this temperature throughout the region. This could be one reason. The another reason is definitely the climate change. Because of that climate change, because of that ocean acidification, the temperature of ocean is continuously increasing.
Subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from PrepLadder.
Now, if we talk about the next news, that is about the marine heat waves. So what is heat wave? Heat wave is nothing but the rise in temperature beyond a particular limit. Okay, so what we are facing in Indian Ocean also, we are seeing this type of the phenomenon. That is, the heat waves are there in Indian Ocean also. And remember, Indian Ocean is getting warmer again and again. Every year we are seeing that phase. That phenomena, and for that reason we are also seeing the frequency of tropical cyclones, especially in this part of the Indian Ocean, that is the Arabian part of the Indian Ocean. Now this frequency is increasing, and this temperature rise in this ocean part is once again the reason for the frequency of these tropical cyclones. Now the heat waves, it means the ocean surface is getting warmer up to the depth of 300 feet. It is getting warmer by 5 to 7 degrees Celsius. Now the question is why it is getting warmer. The answer would be because of the ocean currents are not actually diverging, or they are not actually distributing the temperature or the heat in a very efficient way. Then again the question is why they are not doing so. Because of the weak wind patterns also. One thing is this one, because of the weak winds are there, ocean currents are not able to distribute this temperature throughout the region. This could be one reason. The another reason is definitely the climate change. Because of that climate change, because of that ocean acidification, the temperature of ocean is continuously increasing. Okay, so this temperature is increasing, and this is the phenomena we are noticing in Indian Ocean as well. And this is what we are terming as a marine heat waves. Okay, the surface temperature is getting warmer. Now you can see here the weak winds are there. Warm water does not mix with the cool water in a very efficient way. That could be the reason why this heat distribution is not occurring. Okay, so because of that distribution, because of this marine heat wave, Indian Ocean can get warmer, and because of that warming we can see the abrupt rainfalls, the temperature the tropical cyclones formation can be frequency can be increased of this tropical cyclones, and in this way many other things are also associated with this temperature rise. Okay, now the next thing, if we talk about the next news, is the new finding about Antarctica's Thwaites Glacier. Okay, so this is one of the largest glacier, and if you see this, this is 120-kilometer wide glacier. It is also known as Doomsday Glacier because of its role in the sea level rise. So you can see here, this is actually nowadays getting melted, or this melting is also responsible for the sea level rise. Okay, so why this melting is going on? So according to the study, melting is because of, if this is the glacier, okay, so why this is melting is there? Because of the warm undercurrent which is continuously melting this one. This is one reason, supply of the continuous warm water. The another reason is the shattering of the cracks which are there in the glacier. Means because of the temperature rise, if there was certain crack, so now these cracks are widening, and because of this gap which is increasing in this gap, so this glacier actually losing its stability. Okay, so these two reasons are there, that is the underwater warm water supply, and the second is shattering of the cracks because of the temperature change. Okay, in this way this glacier is melting, and if you see this is 120-kilometer wide, and its potential is very huge. It can raise the sea level rise to a very dangerous limit, and that is the reason why it is known as Doomsday Glacier. Okay, now if you will see, it is already contributing 4% to the global sea level rise each year. So in this way you can see the extent of this glacier, how it can affect the sea level rise in future, and that is the reason why it is known as Doomsday Glacier. Now, if we talk about the glaciers in India, this was also in news, Nanda Devi Glacier. Because of this outbreak, glacial break, in some of the regions in Uttarakhand that we have seen, that is Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, we have seen a massive flooding which was occurring in Dholi Ganga and Alaknanda rivers. Now, if we talk about this Nanda Devi Glacier, so this is the second highest mountain in the country after Kanchenjunga. And if we talk about the overall glaciers which are present in India, some of the important glaciers, so you can see here, this is Ispar, this is here, then Siachen, this is also here in Karakoram. Then in Uttarakhand, you can see that is Yamunotri, Gangotri, and Pindari or Nanda Devi Glacier, and the Jammu Glacier here you can see the Sikkim. Okay, so these are some of the important glaciers. Now, if we talk about glacial lake outburst flood, what is this? So it is generally that occurs when the water dammed by a glacier or a moraine is released suddenly. All of a sudden, a glacier is melting or the water is released because of some reason out of this glacier. It will actually result into the flooding, and this is known as glacial lake outburst. Okay, so this is the phenomena.